Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a beautiful, creamy ruby chocolate mousse without any added sugar. It's velvety, rich and light at the same time. Let's get to it. Whip 200 ml of very cold whipping cream to a soft peak and set the bowl aside for now. In a double bottom pot, combine 50 grams of raspberry puree, 10 ml of agave syrup, a splash of fresh lemon juice and 100 ml of coffee creamer. Bring them to a simmer. Stir constantly, and when bubbles break the surface, remove the pot from the heat. Let it sit for a minute. Then add a softened gelatin sheet and mix until it melts. Pour the hot liquid over 120 grams of ruby chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, stir gently and you'll obtain a shiny, deep pink chocolate sauce. Now add about a third of the soft whipped cream and fold it in. Then pour this mixture over the remaining whipped cream and fold until there are no more visible streaks of white. Always lift from the bottom of the bowl and turn the bowl as you mix. Work fast because this mousse sets quickly. Then spoon the mousse into your ramekins and level the surface with the back of the spoon. Then refrigerate the mousse for at least 3 hours. Decorate it with more ruby chocolate and fresh raspberries. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, Dessertophiles!